Simple pipe jointing. First we'll deal with push fits. Two types are used in the workshop and very common out in the marketplace. The first one, speed fit. Second one, Hepworth. Now we'll look at speed fit first. When you buy these, they come closed in that position. When you need to use it, it's good practice to look inside to make sure all the components are there. When you need to use it, twist anti-clockwise till you feel resistance. The head, known as the collet, becomes loose. The fitting is now ready to receive pipe. With plastic pipe, there's lots of makes on the market, okay? Lots of cutters on the market. Make sure the end is cut square. Squeeze and turn so we get a nice square cut. Then it's also very important, you must use what's known as a pipe insert. Plastic pipe, it is fairly hard, but once hot water gets running through it, it softens. It will lose its roundness and the joint will leak. Okay, so we put an insert into the pipe. The end of that pipe now is solid, but good practice for any push fit joint. Always lube the end of the pipe. Push the pipe in and feel it go all the way in. Twist till you've closed the resistance point. Now there's a mark on these fittings, a mark just past the head. That's where the pipe stops. And to help you gauge that right, there are little arrows spaced upon the pipe. I can see half an arrow at this end just sticking out, tells me the pipe is all the way in. Depending on what pressure of water, it can take up to 8 to 10 bar to blow that off. But it's very simple to reverse the process. Twist till you feel resistance. With your fingers, squeeze the collet in. Pull and twist and the pipe will release. You must remember to undo the fitting and then twist lock the fitting once the pipe is in. Hepworth push fit is different. The head turns but doesn't come off. It has an inner ring, but there's a small point on that inner ring, okay, that's separated. The inner ring will depress, but that small point is part of the head. To put these together is exactly the same. Lubricate the pipe. Push firmly. And we can see there's a little ridge just past the head. That's how far the pipe goes in. But with these ones, you need what's known as a demounting tool to release the pipe from the fitting. Okay? As it goes in, locate the jaws, pull, and it comes apart. Now it's important you get the jaws in the right place. If we look inside there, the little point on the head, it's in between the jaws, so it can push down the inner ring.